Mein Gedanke ist, es ist gewesen sehr schwer. Was ist gewesen ein sehr starke Antisemiten-Environment, Leben dort. Und meine Mama hat mir gezählt, einmal von Cossacks rangekommen und sie bin, how do you say frightened?
Moiridik? Sie hat Moire?
Moiridik, ja. A Sachmoire. Und das ist gewesen dem Leben, especially for my mother. She was a very frightened person, yeah. I didn't talk about that very much. I had the sense that that was their experience. It was sort of lived very carefully and very quietly, and always a concern about what might happen next. My father had a brother who was killed by a Cossack raid, and and my earliest years, I was born in 1931. So in 1941, when the Second World War started, I was 10 years old. My experience during those next 3 or 4 years, during the war years, was that the landslayt from Zaslav would come together in Boston. There were others in the city, and they would put together packages of clothes, kleda, and canned goods to ship over to family and relatives and friends in Zaslav. So there was a lot of talk about Zaslav, the landslayt. My father was the treasurer in Boston, was the treasurer of a Landslayt Society credit union that people put together to help each other financially. And it was very modest. I remember when a man would come to him and say, ich habe eine Tochter, geht verheiratet werden, wir suchen ein bisschen Geld, $50. They would borrow $50 for a wedding for his daughter, and my father was the loan officer who would loan the $50. And he was a barber from the time he was a kid in Russia. So in the shop in Boston, they would come in to pay off their, once a week to pay him $1 or whatever it was to pay towards the loan. It was very, very modest, very touching kind of, but a very personal life.